All right. Fresh water, fresh horses. Round 2. Cedar Lake bike trail. We're cruising right along. "17th day of August. Perfect day. The sun's out, kind of this and that. It's like 75, 80 degrees. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of people, they plow it in the winter too. So, come up to Blake Road here on the right. We live in those apartments to the right, the west side. They're building a lot of apartments over here on the right. Blake School. This is my right, Blake Bears private school. All the kids from Hopkins go there, and the Minnetonka kids go to Breck. So Goodwill is to my right, one of the busiest Goodwill in the States. Medina, and wealthy people bring their stuff, so we're gonna go under a bridge here. Boy, that looks too much work. She's jogging. It's too much. Couldn't do it. It's hard enough as it is. Couldn't do it. Dun, 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 the hill we go. Yep. Whee! Perfect. Up the hill. To my left there, they're going to put some more apartments over here. I think in time when interest rates can come down. Oh my goodness. There's a bunch of people on the bridge when I come home from work with Trump flags. I want to walk up with my camera and troll them, wear my lock 'em up shirt on 494. Do some good action trolling. Going over Minnehaha Creek, starts in Lake Minnetonka and empties out in the old mighty Mo. So oh, that was part of the, I'm sorry, it's officially right here. I went by the banks of it. Here it is. Here's the official, I was going by it. Here's the official going over the Minnehaha Creek right here. Flowing pretty good. Gives the overflow from Minnetonka and then whatever gets dumped in from the cities. And one of the most polluted rivers. Never catch, if you catch anything below a nuclear plant, don't do it. The Ford motor plant used to dump all their stuff right in the river. Too much work. Too much work jogging. Up the hill. Whole thing, they didn't really need to make a whole separate light rail. They already have rail traffic. They could have just had another line to it. It'd been just fine, but spent a lot of money on it. Man. So now we're kind of getting into, we're going to cross over Louisiana here. Louisiana. Parallels to Highway 7. That restaurant that I've videotaped many times is finally being made into something. And to your left, I get up here, used to be a Walmart. Before that was a Costco way back in the 80s. And Walmart was there. Oh, Sam's Club, excuse me. And they pulled out. Another rail line up, another mug station up here. Big building to your left. As you can see, yeah, the loafers in there. It would have been great to make it into a sports, just call it the sports school. All the little Kmart's you could make them into ice rinks or something. But a good old sports school would be cool. All sports. Louisiana Station, Avenue Station they call it. I've walked across this railroad tracks up here before. Oh, it's a long, kind of a hump up. I can hear electrical bike coming. I said 2 electrical bikes. just cheating.
Hey, are those motorized bikes?
Yep.
Any different?
No, but you're just cheating.
What? Yeah,
No, it is. It's cheating. It's a motorized vehicle.
I get that, but I talked to the guy with the Causeway. He says my one wheel's no different than those bikes or the scooters.
That's different. You can do both, and you go very fast too.
Me?
Him, them.
Oh, them. Yeah, I was talking about my one wheel. I got people that fucking give me all kinds of dirty looks. And I already talked to the guy on.
You're fine. I mean, that's different. You're balanced, but I'm on my bike.
Right.
You know.
And yeah, they do come hauling ass.
They do.
You know, I'm real courteous.
Yep, they aren't. It's like just like with not a big skier, but the snowboarders are the ones that really cause trouble on the. They do. Yep. They just a bunch of rebels. That's all they are. I get it. It's cheating. So it's a motorized vehicle.
Yeah. Have a good day.
All right, man. Talk to you later. That's crazy, man. So anyways, we're going down the hill here. We'll here comes somebody else, so another motorized vehicle. Jesus Christ. Anyways, we'll go up the hill here and be down this one. We just wanted we wanted to Wooddale Avenue, and you have a mug station to my right, Wooddale Avenue mug station, and anything else, guys. So we made it, top of the hill. Oh, man. Oh, here we go. Get some water. The hell. All right.